Hello everyone, welcome back to the PDFelement YouTube channel. My name is Christina and in this video, I'm going to show you how to make your own personalized Christmas tags on PDFelement. Let's get personal and creative this Christmas season with personalized Christmas tags that look just like this. So let's jump into PDFelement and I will show you some quick and easy steps on how to make them. Open the PDFelement home screen and find the plus button, and click Blank PDF. And before we start to make Christmas tags, we need to know what size they are, so we can ask Lumi what size are Christmas tags. Thanks Lumi, now we can go to the Organize tab and click on Size. Let's input our settings with whatever size you want your tags to be. Now let's go to the Edit tab and add a background. You can use the colour wheel here to choose any colour background you want. Now that we have a background, let's insert a blank page that will help us add a few Christmas elements. Click on Blank Page. Then let's go to our template mall to find some Christmas elements. Choose whatever elements you would like to add to your Christmas tag. Once you click Edit Now, all you have to do is copy and paste onto the blank page of your project. And just keep doing this for any other objects that you want to include. Now that we have some Christmas elements, we can start to put them together in our Christmas tag. And let me show you a really cool feature. We can go to the Comment tab and press the Cloud button. And we can use this to make it look like there is snow. Next, let's add some text by pressing Add Text. We can use the tools inside the Properties menu to change the font, size, or any other features of the text. Now we need a nice Christmas message. Let's ask Lumi to help us with some ideas. Thanks again, Lumi. Let's choose one of those and copy and paste it into our tag. And finally, a tag needs those all-important to and from labels. And let me show you another really cool feature. You can use the watermark feature to make it look like there is snow. Click on Add Watermark. Let's make it the colour white. Then we can click the tile setting and decrease the opacity, making it look like a lovely snowy background. Now our Christmas tag is pretty much complete, just make sure you delete the blank page with all the other Christmas elements. Perfect! Ready to send to your family. If you want the really quick and easy way to make a Christmas tag, we can use a PDFelement template. Let's click on Template and that will take us to the template mall. Click on Christmas and let's find a template that you like. Click on Edit Now. And here we have already made templates for you to just add some details to. You may need to use the OCR feature here if you want to edit certain parts. Change the text if you like. Add some other elements if you wish. But this tag is pretty much already made for you. Let's just add some names. Now you know how to make your own personalized Christmas tags. There's no stopping you from creating one for everyone. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you did, make sure and give it a big thumbs up and subscribe for more creative content. Have fun creating on PDFelement, and I will see you in the next one.